Hello and welcome back to my channel. Obviously this is an editing day, not a filming day. I don't know what happened, but I have deleted the intro, the first clip, and the voiceover audio for this video. I don't know what happened. Again, I was doing my final run through with this video and I don't know where any of those things went. So this is not going to be a voiceover anymore, but I will leave all the information about the products down below in the description bar, and I will link them as well in case you want any more information on the items that I'm using in the video. But I will go ahead and say that the clip that got deleted was me using the Wishful Clean Genie cleansing butter. That's what this is. And this I use first to break up the makeup on my face and start the dual cleansing process of my face. And if you don't know what a dual cleanse is, that's where you take something like a cleansing butter or a cleansing oil to break up the makeup initially and get most of it off, and then you wash your face afterwards with just a regular face wash to get rid of anything else. So yeah, that's the clip that's missing. And again, I will have all the information for all the products and everything listed down below. So let's get back to our regular blah, blah, blah. I can't talk. It's 8 o'clock at night and you know, anyway, but let's get back to our regular scheduled video. And thank you guys so much for watching. And if you like my videos, go ahead and thumbs up, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you see when my videos are uploaded. And here's the rest of my skincare routine.